Hi SuperEx users. New to crypto trading and you don't know where to start? As the first Web3 cryptocurrency trading exchange, SuperEx offers every tool and tip you need to start your crypto trading journey. If you want to trade spot, it is simple and straightforward. After you complete registering your SuperEx account, you need to make a deposit before you can start trading. To deposit crypto to your SuperEx account, go to Wallets page and click Deposit. Here, you can select what crypto you would like to deposit. Let's take USDT as an example. After you select the coin, you also need to select the network. Click on the chain you will be using to deposit USDT. You can select either QR code or deposit address to complete your deposit. On the deposit page, you can see all the information about your deposit, such as minimum deposit amount and expected arrival. After you complete the deposit, your deposited assets will be credited to your spot account. To check the details of your balance, click on Spot. And now you are ready to place your first spot order. Go to Trades panel. Tap the menu icon on the top left corner and choose the trading pair. You can also go to Zones to see different coin zones. Click on the pair you would like to trade. To buy crypto, select Buy. Next, select Market or Limit. Market orders are instantly matched to the best price on the market, while you can use Limit order to buy or sell crypto at a specific price or better. If you selected Market order, you can either put the amount you want to buy or click Total to enter the total USDT value of the coin you want to buy. If you select Limit order, you need to set the price you want to buy and the amount. To sell your crypto, select Sell. And here you also need to choose Market or Limit. Enter the amount or total USDT amount you want to sell. You can click on Open Orders to check your current open orders, or click on the menu icon to see your spot trading history. And you are done. Good luck in your future trades on SuperEx.com.